Well, I'm back. You know what? I have so much resin that fell off that I can do a couple of squishy coasters in it. So I thought I would show you guys, especially Scarlett, because Scarlett seems to have a hard time with the squishy coasters. So I'm going to pick up my lid so it's out of the way, because I want to get my coasters right down in that. So, squish. And then see what, if it doesn't go all the way to the edge, that's okay, because you can always just push it with your finger. I am surprised that this stuff hasn't set up. If you didn't watch the live, this is that Fama wood. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it on Amazon too. It sets up very, very quick. Okay. Okay. Now this one, I want to get that blue over here. There we go. And I want to get some of the white and the clear down here. And the last one. What? Oh, there's the lid. I'm looking, trying to find where I put the lid at. And squish. And I want some of the white and the clear down here. These, I'm not going to really add a design to it, because I'm probably, since I almost got all of my stuff in, I'm probably going to use these for backgrounds for some heat embossing work that I want to do. So you don't want a real busy background for that. Ah, don't fall. I want to break up that white just a little bit, because I don't have any like C stamps yet, but I can get some. And I'm going to blow out the air bubbles here in a minute, because I know I probably got some in here. See? Just by dragging my finger through it, that gave it a little bit of a wave. And wipe my fingers off. I may have enough on there for a couple more. So, I am surprised I'm still getting some stuff out of this resin, because it's got the shortest working time, and I've had it going for almost 35 minutes now, and it says on the box, it's so funny, it says on the box working time of 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, you are done. I think I might dig out one or two more coasters, because I still got some resin down there. You want to wipe the bottom off, and you want to wipe the sides off too. And that's what I'm doing right here, is wiping the sides and wiping the bottom. These will probably get a coat of art coat, because somebody was telling me that this stuff yellows, so we will find out, won't we? Okay, one more. And I think I can get one or two more out of what's left on the table. I want to push it. You know what? Nah, because it's starting to get real gelled. I do want to put a little bit more white right down here. Oh, sorry that you can't see it. I just put a little bit of white down at the bottom of one of them. Okay, so this is what you do with the resin, even the cheapy stuff. You don't let it go to waste, okay? You use it up, okay? Because even though, yeah, it's set up in the cup, so it's toast. See, what I do is I just leave this sit overnight, because nobody's out here overnight. And I let all of it dry and harden, and then I just peel all the dry resin off my cups, and throw the paper and these cups away. I peel the resin off of these, because that's why I use lids. So I can use them over again, because the resin peels off of them very good. So anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Okay, I enjoy every one of you coming and watching. I want to say one more time, congrats to all my winners from the live. So anyway, I hope to see you in the next video, and I love the resin right out of you guys, and bye for now.